So the guys at Dometic have the brand new helm, and I'm no boating tech whiz dude. I don't really know what I'm talking about. The only way I can explain it is through using and feeling it for myself. I do have the technical stuff from Dometic. The new features greatly reduce chatter noise that is typically generated by overrunning steering loads, improved check valve durability with a more robust design, eliminated flow noise when it comes off the hard over position, which is, I guess, when you are trimmed up, you go all the way over, you get that like little dit in previous helms. Better steering performance, better regrip performance. For me, using it on the water for the first, I've only had it in there for 3 days, driving through the dam, through the timbers at 1,000,000 miles an hour, it's been great. I feel like the steering's actually a little bit lighter. There's definitely less of that chatter noise, and technically, I'm not really gonna notice that much of that stuff. But the lighter steering, the no blowout, it's just nice and smooth, beautiful, that's what matters to me. Knowing it's gonna stay like that, knowing you can trust it, that's the stuff that matters to me. I'm all about putting it to the test on the water and having full confidence in my boat. And for me, as long as it feels nice and gets me where I'm going, that's the win for me.